Okay, here I have the DJI 35mm lens for the Zenmuse X7. Also, I have here the Laowa 9mm DL mount, also for the X7. So I'm looking at the Laowa here. This thing it's well made. It's really solid. Like, you feel like if I drop this, it's not gonna break that easy. But this thing only costs a few $100. Okay, and then I'm looking at the DJI one right here. This thing goes for about 1,000 and up. I am not sure this lens is worth that much money. It should be worth that much money. And I wish DJI would didn't make that mount for this camera. They should have made like an EF mount, any other mount, but this lens. But this mount, now we gotta buy this type of lens here. And by lifting this thing up, it doesn't weigh that much. It's pretty light. You know, it's perfect for that camera though, but it's very light. This is the back of it. You know, I don't know if it's worth that price, man. I'm really baffled about that. You know, this one on the other hand, this is a 9mm. That's the only one that Laowa made for this camera. I wish they had made more, but also they're not autofocus. So, you know, they're not autofocus. There's no contact. Let me see if I can get this in one hand here. Okay, let's see. This has no contact. This has no contact at all on here. And if you look at the DJI version, which is a 35mm, not a 16, not a 9, of course, that's a 35. It's all these contacts, so you have all your metadata will show up on the camera. And on this, you're not gonna get any metadata at all. This is the box that the DJI version came in with. You know, I still think this lens is a little expensive. It's all carbon fiber. It looks like it's well made, but it doesn't feel like it's not gonna break if this thing come out of the sky. As opposed to this thing here, the Laowa 9mm DL version for the X7. It looks like if you fall out of the sky, it looks like it'll survive. But you know, leave a comment down. Let me know what you think of this little review, and please subscribe because I got a lot more of this videos coming soon. All right, peace out.